Hello everyone, this is Ami from SharePoint Wizard. In this episode, I would like to show you a new feature of Copilot in Microsoft Forms. So I create a poll to collect a list of all of the best blog, YouTube channel, and blog that people in the Microsoft community have made and want to share. You can see some question about the platform or area of technology and country and URL. But the cool new feature, if I go to the View Responds, then you now can see key insight that Copilot shows about the data in addition to the charts and tables. So if we read the key insight, we can see the following. Here are the key insights derived from the aggregated responses. Technology areas. The most frequently covered topics are Microsoft Teams, Copilot, and SharePoint, each mentioned twice. Microsoft 365 is mentioned once, and one response did not specify any technology area. Country representation. The majority of respondents are based in the UK, 2, followed by Israel, 1, and the USA, 1. Platform usage. YouTube channels are the most popular platform for sharing content, 3, while blogs are used by 1 respondent. LinkedIn profiles and ownership. There are 2 unique LinkedIn profiles and 3 distinct owners identified, indicating some collaboration. Content themes. The main topics include tips and tricks, use case, best practice, and roadmap and features, each mentioned once. These insights highlight the community's focus on specific technology areas, geographic diversity, and preferred platforms for content sharing, as well as thematic trends in the shared content. As more response coming, we can refresh and update the insights and get updated insights. If we want to see more detailed respond, we can click to see the individual responds. We can move between each one. As we know, you can open and see all results in an Excel file that is synced to the form and is updated. Notice it is syncing until it is 100%. Here too we will see the Copilot insights and also a green button to start advanced analysis using Python. Let's click on this and see what it gives us. So you see it adding the list of the results of the survey and also show advanced analysis on the data. So this insights of Copilot within Forms and Excel can let us understand better the result that we get. Thank you for watching and listening, and let me know in the comments if this is helpful and the business can use it to understand better the data.